Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about NZXT and Bethesda Starfield license changes. So friends, NZXT has collaborated with Bethesda Software LLC to introduce Starfield licensed gaming equipment under the NZXT CRFT series. The complete product range is set for a release early next year, and friend, this case will have a global release in early 2024 and limited quantities currently available in North America on NZXT.com and friend to pre-build NZXT PC. The Starfield H5 Locase integrates in-game aesthetic with practical features, and it has a perforated front panel for enhanced airflow and provide tool-less access to the front and side panels, and the case is equipped with a dedicated fan on the bottom inside panel, aim at GPU cooling, and comes with two pre-installed Apple 20Q fans. Additionally, the case displays a Constellation insignia on its rear and includes a Constellation theme cable bar, and the entire product range exclusive of Starfield H5 Flow will be accessible early next year for global Starfield enthusiasts. And the CRFT Starfield case can be obtained now with the purchase of a player to pre-built system. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.